welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an unboxing of the online EEI portable backdrop kit with carrying bags and drapes. I purchased this kit from Amazon.com and will leave all information in the description box below. So let's get started. As you will notice in this scene, I am tilting the bottom pole in order to join the top pole. I do this to keep from scraping my ceiling, which is right at 8 feet tall. As you can see from this video, this backdrop is substantial and I feel is well worth the money I paid. The drapery is of good weight and quality, but don't use it near a window. It is a little see-through. The carrying bag looks and feels pretty strong and sturdy. I will not only use this backdrop for my channel, but for parties and other events. Therefore, the carrying bag is a great plus. I trust this video has been helpful as well as informative. If so, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps YouTube to notice that my videos are useful and basically gets them pushed out for others to see. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.